You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in Japanese and also how it's said in English. That's a person who's not a Japanese or non-Japanese descent, but who loves the Japanese culture and wishes he or she is of Japanese descent. Japanese pronunciation: weeaboo, weeaboo, weeaboo. In English, it's more commonly pronounced as weeaboo, weeaboo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.